guys had messages. Morning, Mike. KW. So I'm gonna probably run into the open kind of lower. I mean, we'll see. Things change by the millisecond, you know. So, but I don't want. Not expecting. Well, we'll see. DCMD. I'm gonna watch. It might be a flush here. Is this the open? Like it. Oh, frick. Frick. No. No. I messed up. I messed up so bad. Look at that. Look at. Oh. Oh. Mm. Mm. That was brutal. I was up 1,000 on it. Finished down 1,000 to just take profit. Huh. Why didn't I just take the 1,000 bucks? I was so slow to react. I was so slow to react. I had to cut it. This is the kind of trade where, you know, a beginner would still hold it because they were green really good and then they went against them. So I think that's what happened here, why we got such a big rejection. It was looking good there, and I was like, okay, let's just give it a little bit more up to VWAP. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I got absolutely obliterated on. But I mean, I had the right idea. Oh, look at that. Price on this seemed had large. Same thing happened here on this one. 5-minute 200 EMA stopped it, huh? Mm. Ah. Took a sip of my old coffee from yesterday. Bugs in it. Dang it. Dang it, bro. Took a big loss on this. Holy spirit. Ah. I was slow to cut it. It's my. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay. We gotta we gotta probably let this one go. That's tough to do. That is tough to do. Dang. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna go down to 450 shares on this. I got a bad fill. I just feel so unmotivated. I dug myself a giant hole. Shoot. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think this today might be a red day for the pharma. Look at that. Look at I yeah, that opening loss I took. That sucks. Again, that's why you don't wanna get super aggressive early on. I said I wasn't gonna hit it anyway. Did it anyway. I don't trust any nothing here or something. 34. Today feels a little different. Today feels like a red day. Well, it is red. Frick. I got myself a project. Down 1,300. I gotta cut that. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I gotta size down. I gotta size down. Nice pop there, but hard to get filled. Come on, baby girl. Gonna take that. This looks a bit choppy, but it's a maybe, yes. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Got smoked. This one out of the gates. Can we go for the false breakdown setup? I don't know. I kind of missed this one. Dang it. I can tell you right now, the price action today is a little questionable. I took 1 penny. I was like, this is probably all I'm going to get. I've had to hit the brakes a little bit after taking that opening loss. I was lethargic to cut it. Came by a little bit of surprise. I had to cut that break even. Not even break even. I took a bigger loss. So life goes. So life goes. Day trading. I gotta cut that for nothing. Oh, I'm pissed. I am pissed. I did exactly what I didn't want to do today. RWOD, I think, is a no. I got smoked out of the open. I was green on the trade 1,000. I thought it was going to rip more, and I was like, this could be the one trade. And it reversed on me. I was kind of slow to cut it. I held through the chop. Um, yeah. This ticker, we had a level at 160. Did we already break it? 165. Wouldn't be opposed to it coming down. I had to cut it. You know why I had to cut it? Because you can't trust Jack in this market. This is going to do a breakout. Ah, shit. You got to feel, you kind of got to feel it to be like, okay, go right now. And if it doesn't, out, baby. Oh, lost everything. The big size is not really working today. I think it's going to fail. I bet you this thing's going to fail. My God. Nah, I can tell you right now, today's is just go down inside. Just big sellers. I mean, there's legitimately big sellers here. That's too bad. That opening trade just shoot. Are you kidding me? It's just so choppy. What can I say? Can I say? But just watch it. I mean, this is the way it is. Peace and happiness. Still a phenomenal trading week so far, so let's keep that in mind. Made a little mistake at the open there on what's it called? Hey, must be the money. That's hideous. How can I buy that? Another day I could have done better on this. Hmm. Did I just see 1,000 shares there? Or 10,000 shares? No one called out INDO at the start of today. I don't know about this one. Self PTH, I don't know. I just want my money back on ZCM. It's the kind of worth fighting, you know. Hmm. It sucks. It sucks. The way it goes. The deal with this. Did news come out? Do we have any levels down here? 5-minute chart's not really showing anything specific. We could go for a rebound trade on this, but I'm afraid this might be the one that let's see how it does with this level here at 280. Just dead. Just died. I'm gonna watch this for a double bottom type trade, but I'm gonna be real careful because it's high chance of breaking through the lows. But we get a little bottoming tail, we could get a 5, 10, 15 cent bounce. If I hit that with 20,000 shares. Ugh. Ugh. Agba. Market's definitely in a funk today. This is a funk. Weeza? Man, crap, I'll take anything. I'll take Weeza. Oh my gosh. Why aren't you guys saying Weeza? Pull up Weeza level. Light volume breakout. That could become tricky. So that's a nice move. I'm just not sold on it. Trying to see what ZCMD wants early. See if it holds. Nope, didn't hold. That's too bad. Finger off the trigger. This looks like it's gonna drop more. I can't buy it. Oh my gosh, I should have bought it. Right when I say I can't buy it, then the oh, mm, no, no. I just cut it. Because last time I had a pop like that, it flushed on me. Decided to cut that trade, even though if it comes up to 218, livid. Absolutely livid. What's the deal with this one? This doesn't look that great. The trade was from 205 to 215. That was 10 cents. I mean, that's all I needed with 2,000 shares to get back in the playing field. It was right there. And look at this candle looking like it's going to push again. So that was the trade. Ways. Coming to Weeza. I don't want to, but I have to. CCMD. Got a daily chart. We got to see what's going on. Kind of a goofy pattern. High of this candle, 750. A little shaky here. We have a big bid there. Hopefully it holds. Here we go. A little bit of strength. The bid comes right back down. Gotta cut it. Had to cut that. ZCMD, I could have made a ton of money on. That is just bonkers. I had the trade totally dialed in, except not execute it properly. See, when your back is against the wall, when you're at a loss, it's a double whammy because now you're got extra fear. You got a little bit more hesitation. Not good. Trying to see if we get the breakthrough 5 on this. No, this thing just stalled. I better come back over to ZCMD. Good. 5-minute charts say looks like it needs to come. There's a wheeze, a little bigger drop there. Wheeze, wheeze. Oh, wheeze, wheeze. I'm gonna try for a bottom bounce. And I missed the first one. 206 to 223. That's phenomenal. All you need. Forgive me, Father. Yeah, whatever. I think I'm up. Was I up 18,000 on the week? So we could. What the heck? This ZCMD might heat back up because we're getting some interesting big pops there. Right back, 30 seconds. Terrible. Yeah. Weeza. I did not expect that. That's a frick. I like Weeza. I gotta cut it. I totally missed Weeza. We don't see that pattern very often. So I'm not. It's a little goofier. Cute. Screw Weeza. Screw everybody. Okay. Seriously, my hope is DCMD rebound. I could have already had it done already. It could be green. $1,000 already. We gotta take the risk on this. It's just smoked on Weeza. Just like price action on it is not that great. With the strong pops we had at the lows here, I'm having hope that we could see it this income. I want to make sure I'm in on it. 5-minute chart, see what the next candle wants to do. Don't just pop out of nowhere, please. Dip one more time for me. I'm either going to finish real big today or I want the big boys to snap this thing. That's not. Should I hold this? Yeah, I should hold it. This is like my last hope of going. Ah, I may have made a mistake again. Had to cut it. Sorry, I had to dump it on you guys. Dang. Again, being greedy. I should have just taken the an $800, $900 win. Trying to go for the breakthrough 223. Hmm. Should have just taken the profit. That would have got me basically green on the day. And then from there, freaking moon. Freaking moon. That's too bad. That gave a nice push. My thinking was we would go higher. Visa. It just that's IND. I was about to say that looks crazy. Oh, maybe Visa is not so bad. 692 back up. Got to get these dips. I still think this one's in play. I think we're gonna maybe need more of a double bottom off of 205. Visa, I could probably. It's not one I would do big positions on. Definitely, definitely messed up on this one, big time. You would say so. I would say so. I had my thing set to increments. Did I make any money on that? 2 pennies. Brutal day. That's too bad. I think I'm being an idiot trading way too big a size here. Shoot. I'm gonna try to hold this. It feels like a B plus, a B minus setup. Had to dump it, but actually I got some profit on that. I had to dump it because this thing is a lethargic piece of crap. I I'm telling you guys, my gut, and this is honesty, this thing could give a really strong rebound. The reason I'm saying that is because of how this candle right here popped instantaneously, how we grinded up here even against all odds, how we popped here. Now, yes, I bought this one and that my purchasing played a huge role in this pop, but seems to be other buyers here. Gotta make sure I'm in on this thing. Little pullback here. We get a quick reversal. I want it back up to 223. That's target, although I that's not good when it stalls like that. There we go. Come on, give me a rip, you bad piece of. Come on, give me more. Short stop out. I might be kicking myself in the pants for not taking profit here. Oh shit. Oh, gonna take me a minute. Oh, gonna take me a minute. Ow. Ah. Oh. That was 2,600. That was 2,600 bucks. I was trying to go for more. That would have taken me big green. That would have taken me. In another day, that would have snapped through the apex level, and that's what I was holding for. I thought we were gonna get it. Thought we were gonna get it. That was it, guys. That was my bailout ticket. I had it in my hand. Now, I probably wouldn't have made 2,600 on it because I had so many shares, and you guys saw the slip. I had a couple trades now where I was up 1,000. That last one, 2,600, I saw tapping 26. That was it, man. We got a 5-minute double bottom though, so that is notable. I'm I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This. Oh, look at my terrible fill. Oh. What? What? Got not a single dollar on that trade. Oh my god. Today is pushing the limits of my patience. INDO, I see that. 5-minute kind of up, but entry should have been at 50. But the 5-minute on it kind of good. I don't know, guys. I'm not, I'm down $700. It's not a big deal. Could have been green. I was in on the trades. I was there. I could try for another dip below 210. See if we can get a little pop. If we get just even a little pop. Fernando, I'm not sure what happened. I'm just guessing light volume and those colors are emboldened today. Hard rejection at the open. A lot of stocks are just sort of hesitating to do much. You know? And then I got screwed because I had slippage. If you guys noticed, that was kind of the big problem was slippage was so bad. Taking a small order here. It's probably going to reverse. Guarantee it. I should bail on this. I'm going to bail on it. I had the bailout, guys. I had it. Guys, trust me, I'm usually a good trader. It's not today. I'm at a loss for words. Truly. Loss. I had the bag. Had this just popped through 223, I would have just huh. That's funny. That is funny. It is a Friday. I mean, it's a Friday. Do I want to have a blow up day on a Friday? Why not? Give me a dip, baby. Give me a dip. I'm going in 1,000 million shares. Well, what I like is these dips here. Dips here. Are we going to get a dip here as well? Or is this going to be the one that just goes to 190 and I just lose $4,000? It's a possibility. Play with big size. You got to be smart. Come on, give me a dip. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy 50,000 next trade. These short sellers have to get pinched. We have two nice big bottoming tails. Forget that. But we also can't forget what happened at nasty. But sometimes the stocks they rip at the open for a while and then they come down quick. This one dropped hard quick. So I'm trying to keep in control. My red day isn't too bad yet. I gotta let it go. I had the bailout here. I had the bailout here as well. Took none of it. I don't trust this. It's a little bit of buying pressure here at support, but can't trust that. We's terrible fills. Like I was in a winning trade, cut it, got nothing. So that's naughty list. INDO is probably decent, but it doesn't look like it. Oh man. Keep it in control. Trying to see if we get a third dip here. And if I can slam it, get it to reverse. If we get a 10-cent reverse, I'm going to sell right into the buying pressure. For some reason, we have buyers here. This is interesting. This may just jump up. Maybe not. I don't know. That you usually do not see this. This tells me there's a hidden buyer there. This could be this could be a mistake. This could be a bull trap. Please don't be a bull trap. Oh, it looks like a bull trap. Sold right into that volume and I got barely anything. Yeah, Blair, I did see your question, Blair. I just haven't got to all the thought this morning. Oh, I am triggered. No doubt about it. Awesome. And I'm still watching ZCMD because it look at what's happened. Selling off straight down, then what happened? What's going on here? Not going straight down anymore. Will it continue to go straight down a little bit later? Maybe. Or we've put in a bottom here with the double bottom. And this thing is there, you know how this goes. Like it looks not good, looks dead, and all of a sudden volume comes in, it rips up. So go to the 15-minute chart because that's going to kind of help decide. Yeah. Doesn't look that good. NVFY. We gotta be careful jumping stocks popping up. And what is it? What's the ticker? NVFY. NVF. That doesn't look super amazing. Kind of just looks like Visa to miss that pop. This one is going now. Oh well, like volume. Oh, this is Visa. This is Visa. I wonder why I thought it looked like Visa. I don't trust that. Not in this market. Gosh darn, I don't gosh darn trust anything. This I think is gonna come in a little bit. I bet yeah, this giant red candle I'm definitely was part of the reason for that. It's just gonna snap. Too big of a seller at 470. Otherwise, I would be interested in maybe buying this, but 470, 28,000 share seller, that's a little off-putting. You just gotta be careful running to all these different stocks, guys. You think they're good, but a day like today, you gotta be careful. ZCMD is the one I should freaking be in. That breakthrough 223, I bet. And come back to it. I don't know if I can buy it up there. I think it's gonna go through 23, but NVFY. See if we get a bounce off VWAP or sellers don't seem to be done. Shoot. I got 1 penny. I bet you this is gonna grind back up. Reminding me of BPTH. Just absolutely I had the bailout, that $2,600 trade that I probably could have pulled 15. Didn't take it. Perfect day to take it. I failed to pull the trigger when I thought I should. I should be in 10,000 shares right here. Put my order at 320. Pulling it because apparently that scared the market. Frick. Look at that. Look at that. How frustrating. Hey, you need to go to the bathroom? Let's go outside. Go potty. Come on. Had the bailout. Had the bailout. Ooh, INDO. What the 5 minutes, right? Spreads on this are a little stinky. Can I get back green today? That's the question. Weeza's still going. That's stupid. Maybe Weeza's the one. I thought it was not gonna be. Shoot. I'm just selling. I'm just selling because we don't know if it's gonna reverse. I'm down only 400 bucks now. Hey, that's pretty good. We're definitely making progress, although I should be up like 2 grand, but that's it's not in the books today. Sold out at 309. It's now at 314. Yeah, this one I probably should have held because it's look at that. Look at how this thing works. Grind, grind, grind. Go for micro dip here. Ah, you I need to get better. Yeah, I'm glad to have gotten my loss down on this, but man, I had the profit. How many times are you gonna say that? Probably a lot. NDO. You had a good thing going here on NVFY. This one I'm liking. I'm liking this. Could get something. What I'm liking. I just can't believe it. So yeah, yeah, they shut down and then they come watch my stream. DCMD, baby. Squeeze. Save my orders just in case something starts to squeeze. Just gonna take the profit. 70 likes already, guys. Thank you, thank you. Just a little bit of a turbulent morning because I took a bad loss at the start of the day. And honestly, I kept making the same mistake. Being in a winning trade, holding it, and then having a reverse. It happened to me 3 times on ZMD, DCMD. All 3 times were big orders, and I was green on the trade. It reversed. INDO did do what I thought it was going to do. Not before chopping like a little. Hmm. I like the action on NVFY. This one could heat up for us. One could heat up for us. Go to the daily chart on this for a second. That's actually a good looking daily chart. 443. Actually, a good looking daily chart. Now I'm gonna check my cryptos while we wait for this one. So we gotta watch INDO. It's this trade. Shoot. Sold it. Almost to green on the day. We're almost there, boys. Been a long morning. Apologize. Heaven down 3 grand. No. Hmm. Yeah, we might take the girl out. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if she deserves. I don't know if she did. How we gonna feed the children? Get back all my profit. The tricky. This is a trick. And I've been saying that like every day for the last 2 weeks. This really is. Just split attention. Everybody's over here, and then they're at Weeza. It's very split attention today. Very obvious. Have focus on. I think NVFY might kind of figure. I got to bail. And no choice. $150. I knew that probably wasn't. DCMD still grinding up. We're gonna watch that because if that thing starts to heat up, we could get trade on it. Even one trade on that could be $2,000. Ugh. We're gonna wait an NFVY. I was in for what could have been a phenomenal, 3 all the way up to absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, well, I've been red most of the morning, so my back's been against the wall. I've had to fight through, the fear. At this point, I'm feeling pretty good, but I still got to be careful. Down only $300 on the day, which is nothing. Basically, break even. We're just trying to give this some time. Maybe we'll catch a big trade back to the high day. I don't know. 5 minutes looking a little dicey. Had dicey. A brutal day. Okay, is there an entry here? We got some down now. Green buying. Don't trust it. Testing support again. Office support. Done it all right there. We got a little profit. Oh, I sold right before the break. Now we're green, boys. Back to green. Hey, Jonathan, you got your cookie. You got your cookie because when you subscribed, your computer logged that cookie in your browser. So you definitely got a cookie. You got a lot of cookies. That's your cookie. All right, boys. We just got green on the day. Now we're ready to run. Ugh. I get an amen. Dog, can you give me an amen, dog? Potential breakout. I feel like the resistance can be too much up here. Too much up here. I came back to green. I didn't think I was going to do it. You son. Don't you dare rip. Okay, no, I'm done buying up here at the highs. Gosh darn. I had bad timing on this thing. Retired guy gave me the thumbs up. Is he actually retired? I don't know. I don't know. ZCMD, you guys voted for. Well, guess what happened to ZCMD? Dun dun dun. Garbo. Garbo. And I had kids on this. Scallywag. Okay, INDO. This thing likes to pop off for watching this buyer here, see if he breaks. If he doesn't break, we might up. Might be able to pull some money out of here. Maybe. This is highly dangerous. I regret this trade 100%. I gotta cut it. Oh, that's $200. See if buyers come back in. Dang, I lost. Ah, screw this one. Heck, bro. Screw this one. I bet she's gonna go. Oh, you scallywag. Okay, forget it. Intuition told me to cut that one, although it could continue higher. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out on this channel. Trust me. The other people you're watching surely didn't miss out on this channel. Had to cut that. Old scallywag stalled here. Why did you send your birthday money back? You scallywag. Scallywagger. Messed up. Yeah, maybe just take the $1,000 on the day and cut it. Yeah, some of them I do, Tim. It was giving us vibes that it was gonna maybe pop back up there, but then again, I was in a good trade here, did not hold for it. My intuition told me to bail, which was a mistake. Shoot, shoot. Give me the high day break, scallywag. Yeah, you scallywagger. You good for nothing, scallywagger. Oh, I know at least one of them is watching. You're watching. Guilty as charged. Guilty as charged. No, not all of them. A lot of them are nice. Couple. Boy, boy. Gotta cut it for a loss. And then right back up. It likes to chop like that. I don't trust. This one, I had the right idea. I had it. I had the right idea. But not that good. Take the what? Gonna take the espresso machine? Yeah, you can take it. It's nasty. Uh, it is partially thickly traded. Yeah, it's a little bit more thickly traded than others. Yes. Is it the most thickly traded stock I've ever seen? No. Blessed are those. Pinch those shorts. Send them to bedtime. Bedtime. Yeah, it's stalled there. Oh, oh shoot. taking a bigger loss there. Oh, bad loss. Yeah, and I think my trade will end up working. Very bad loss there. Very bad loss. Don't you dare go. Looks like it's a tad too extended. I gave back probably $500, which a little more than I want. I'm up 1,500 on the day, which oh, I'm an idiot. Why? Flush, 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 flush. This is where it's like it's usually would reverse, but if it doesn't, we could see parabolic. Kind of feels like we might just go. Got smoked on that one. That's right. If you're new here, sure you subscribe. Oh, gotta cut it. Back to 2,500. Okay, that's fine. Ah, I'm gonna miss it. No, it's just it's not ripping through. Maybe it will, but we're gonna see a pop. No, look at that. See, yeah, good thing I'm out of that scallywag. What's going on with INDO? It looks about ready to rip. Four. Where's Visa? Ah, this is a bad trade. Gotta cut it. What should I lose? $20. I didn't lose much. Go back to daily chart on this, see if this thing starts to heat up. 440 is still a key level. We're gonna have to watch this eventually. Guilty as charged. Yes, they are. Didn't wanna have to be the guy to do it, but wow. This does look like a squeeze candidate. Oh my god. COVID destroyed.